Hello people, welcome back to another video. So we're just fishing at Barwon Heads again. There's already a few fish rocking up. Got Johnny, Jackson, my dad and I. And Jackson's already flicking around a little more.
That's
There are boats like right in at the moment, if you guys see that. But yeah, a beautiful sunrise. I reckon it's gonna be a good day today. Let's get it. Jackson reckon the king just came up then.
I saw it with my own eyes. It followed all the way up to the surface. I'm not.
And there's big arches on the sounder.
I'm not sitting around. It came up to the surface.
We literally just got it. Just got a good pinklet, and now have it drop down.
a little big.
Just click a button. Oh,
Yeah, it's on there.
can you see?
Yeah.
Good pinky. It's everywhere down there. Jesus, it's a good one. Oh.
Got it?
Yep. Yep.
Wait, is this live, mate?
Oh, John. Whack. Yeah, right.
Wait, that rod.
Yeah, I know, Johnny's one. Just get the bits, John.
Oh, look at that. That's a good pinky. That's almost close to a snapper. Look at that.
Spike him, John.
Good size one.
I'll spike him if you get this for me here. Watch this, please. My rod. Yeah.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's a big smell.
Tired with that camera. Bite. Bait. He'll catch it.
Sharkins,
Get the rods up.
Got a shark.
Sharkins.
There's something down there.
Yeah, I'll bring you some.
Not quiet. Yeah, that's a shark.
Get it up the other way.
Told you it's there, I would say.
Where do I put it?
Well, somewhere up the front. Gotta get that burley up as well.
Oh, yeah. How heavy is it?
Lost the shark, but it's probably still down there. So just popped in a few rods again.
That's fucking 820. I'm gonna have a fucking shark again.
It's definitely a big 7 kilo, I reckon. Yeah, see if fish can come back and get some more pinkies. Just moved from the bait spot. We're now trolling for a kingy. I almost stopped. We were going to go to the rip, but there's so many people and it's a bit rough there at the moment. So we'll just have a little troll with some divers at the back. But yeah, we're going to head towards this kingy spot, and then we're going to go towards the heads and have a little fish for sharks and stuff. I'll film if we hook onto anything. Hello guys, it's now 12:40 and just moved closer to where we got out here, the rock. It's 32 meters, 25 meters. And last spot we hooked on to like 2-3 sharks, lost them all. We don't know what they were. I reckon Johnny hooked up. I reckon Johnny hooked up to a gummy shark, dropped it, and yeah, we've just got a few pinkies. See if we can do a bit better here. I was down the rod from Jackson.
They're tuna.
Are they?
Yeah, hold that. Where's the big rod? Give me a big popper. The tuna, I can see it.
Oh, taste it!
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so cool! Peppercorn.
We got the same distance.
They're still there?
Yeah, they're over 1 o'clock now.
Oh, there's fucking bags in the way. How far? Oh, over there.
Right there.
Right, watch it. Yeah.
I think I'll just have this drifting along.
They're on top.
I'm gonna have the diver going along.
Are they on the sounder?
No. Just heading back in now. Went past like 10 schools of kingfish, tuna, and salmon, most likely, and couldn't get anything. Very unlucky. I reckon because it was a low tide, since they're a bit more active when it's high.
I'll give you a ring on the way there.
Yeah, we're gonna go out tomorrow and see if we can get any kingfish and stuff. I won't be filming tomorrow, but if we've got something good, then I will film. But I think that'll be it for this video. Just caught some pinkies, rubber perches, bayfish, just casual stuff. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.